You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. Technology.
What is going on, YouTube, man? I have a unboxing for you guys. I am literally at work. Y'all see the Walgreens logo right there somewhere, like right there, boom. I am literally at work. I'm on lunch break, so don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't judge me, man. But I did get a package delivered to the store today from Nike. Y'all see I just do a take. So I just want to unbox it real quick for you guys, because I ain't put a video out in a minute. So I said, you know what, let me do that, man. So hey, before we get up into this unboxing, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, man. Check out the content, turn on the notification bell, do all those great things. We recently hit 4,300, man, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Salute to each and every one of you. Now, with all that being said, this was actually a reach back. This was a restock. And I just want to make sure that this shoe is alright. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure this shoe is okay. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up really, really quick. For those of you that don't know, you will know whenever I see this box, man. Y'all see this box. So as you guys can see right here, y'all already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? You see that box. So this is the Air Jordan 6. This is the Carmine. This was from the restock that they had last week, if you guys can see that. So yeah, man, this shoe, oh, it's reversed. So yeah, this is a size 13. I actually hit on this for my cousin. He actually wanted a pair, but I want to make sure this thing was cooked up right. You know what I'm saying? I want to see if it's medium rare or whatever. I want to see what's going on. So let's go ahead and open them up. So let's take them out this box. Oh man, you know what I'm saying? All right, Nike, thank you. No pink at all. You know what I'm saying? As you guys can see right here, it is absolutely no pink on these things. Y'all see that Nike Air on the booty? You know what I'm saying? Y'all like that boom boom, you know what I'm saying? No pink on these. So this is an actual good pair. Thank you, Nike. And a lot of people was wondering, they was like, hey, I don't know if this shoe is being restocked because Nike is actually giving out more pairs. Or if they're gonna be, you know, screwed up, the same thing with the pink stuff on them. But I think Nike is just, they're doing their due diligence, man. They're giving us back the shoe that they should have gave us from the first time, from the era. So as you guys can see on the bottom, I think these things will be restocked a lot. You know what I'm saying? I really think that these shoes will be restocked quite a bit. So if you are actually looking for the shoe, you'll be able to get it. I feel like my camera is screwing up a little bit, so I hope you guys are getting the quality of them, man. But I do feel like this shoe will be restocked quite a bit, so you'll be able to get it as long as you pay attention. Like I said, this is a size 13. I actually hit on them. I heard that they were dropping, and then I missed it. But then I went back in there, and boom, still was able to hit on them. So yeah, man. Very dope pickup. I'll go ahead and give you guys some B-roll of this one, this actual pair, so you guys can see that they well done. They ain't medium rare, you know what I'm saying? So salute to Nike for that. But yeah, man, do you guys think these shoes are gonna be restocked as much as the Fire Red 4s or as much as the DMP 6s? And I'm you know what? I'm not mad at Nike for continuing to give us this, because for all the people that missed out on them from the restocks, and from the bots and stuff getting them, they're actually giving you guys the opportunity to get them. So yeah, man, salute to you guys. Shout out to Nike on the Air Jordan 6 Carmine restock pickup from my cousin, man. Yeah, man, I appreciate you guys tuning as always. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man, and remember, these shoes we talk about, this shoe right here, is just bait. A way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on me, tell no joke.